Today I want to show you how to make one of my favorite soups. It fits into G-Bombs Nutritarian Diet very well as it contains greens, beans and garlic. We also do not use oil or salt. Trust me, it is delicious and is good for you. The ingredients that you will need are sweet potatoes, kale, beans, ginger, garlic and crushed tomatoes. We start with about 3 cups of crushed tomatoes. We add 3 cups of water. The soup will be pretty thick in consistency. If you like more watery consistency, just add more water. You can also use vegetable broth instead of water for more flavor, though this soup is pretty flavorful as it is. Stir the soup well, then let it simmer. In the meantime, add a few tablespoons of vegetable broth to the skillet and add garlic and ginger to the skillet and stir them on medium heat for a minute or so. Add this mixture to the soup. When the soup is almost boiling, add sweet potatoes and cook until sweet potatoes are almost ready. Then add beans and kale. Stir everything together. You do not need to cook it too long. It's done pretty quickly, just a minute or so. Then add hot chili sauce to taste. I also use spiked Vege-Sal instead of regular salt. You can use salt here, though if you do follow true Nutritarian diet, you cannot use regular salt. And voila, the soup is ready. It's delicious. Leave me a comment if you would like more vegan recipes that follow Nutritarian diet with G-Bombs. Until next time.